Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enlarge eyes in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want bigger, more expressive eyes in your photos? The FaceApp makes it super easy for you. And here's how to enlarge your eyes in just a matter of few seconds. So let's get started. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application. FaceApp, you're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the app. Once you find this, you're just gonna type in FaceApp Editor, Perfect Face Editor by the FaceApp Ltd, developed here. As you can see here, you're gonna click on this application right here. Make sure you install this application. It's both available on Android and iOS devices. So you're gonna click on Open and launch it. Then you're gonna make sure to grant it access and permission to access your files. As you can see here, you're gonna grant it permission to access your files and camera. And after that, you're gonna see all the pictures that include a face in them in this dashboard right here. You're gonna upload a photo. For example, you're gonna choose a photo to upload, or you can take an instant one. After that, you're gonna go to the face and eyes section. You're gonna look here and look for the face, and there is this option which is glasses. You can add glasses to your face here. As you can see, you can remove glasses. You can go to the features like this. You can edit your features here, and then you're gonna go to the face and eye section and select the eye enlargement option. Then you're gonna apply the effect and save your image. Now also these filters require a premium version, so make sure if you want all the features, if you want to use all the features, you gotta buy the premium subscription. Now once you apply the effects, you're gonna save your image. Enlarging your eyes can make your photos more expressive, so use FaceApp carefully for the best results. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.